Hello everyone, welcome. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create a date table using DAX. So this is our financial data, which we are still going to work with later in this course. So to create a calendar table, we'll go to the table part, the data part of our model. So now, to create this table, we have to know which fact table on this model has the widest range of data. So for here, the income statement and the balance sheet has the same range, the same data range from 2019 to 2020, right? So we can either pick from both to just create this date table. So we'll go to new table. So you go to table tools, new table, click on new table. That will bring up a new table for us. We call this dim calendar. Dim calendar, that will be equal to, so there is a formula we call calendar. So I prefer to use calendar instead of CALENDARAUTO because calendar just gives me the dates in the maximum table of the model, while CALENDARAUTO gives me all the dates in the year. So I prefer to use calendar. So calendar will be, my start date will be mean. I'll use my income statement table. Income statement table, then date, bracket closed, comma, max, income statement table, date. So I pick my mean and max date from my income statement table. So that will display the dates in all this data. So why this is great is that whenever the data updates, these dates updates automatically. It's an automated calendar. So I come here, I choose a friendly format that I like. This is day, month, year. I prefer this. So the next thing is to, of course, just further describe our dates. So I will insert another column I call month. There is month number. So I go to new column. So I go to month, I say month number. So this will help me order my months. So equal to a formula month. So now I'm picking from dim calendar date. So the date for my calendar table. Enter. So that gives me month number. So the next thing now is to look at the month itself, the month name. So I'll go to new column. You're just creating a simple calendar table. New column, month underscore name. Or I can just say month. That'll be equal to format. So I want to use a short month. So my value will be dim calendar date, while the format use some inverted commas, MMM. So that will give me short month. So I close my bracket and enter. So this gives me the short month. Then I will insert another column again. I call year. Yeah, year. So year is just simply year of the calendar date. Year dim calendar date. So something of note here that you should note here is that in everything we are doing on these dates, we are referencing the date column. So whether it's year, whether it's month, whether it's quarters we are going to generate it from the year column. So enter. So this is just a simple calendar column that takes the day, the month, and the year. So we can also put day. So new column, day. So that is day in a month. So that will be equal to day, our calendar date. That is dim calendar date. So this will give us our day in the month. So that goes from 1 to 31st. 1 to 31st. So we can insert another column that we call month year. Month year. Month underscore year. That will be equal to, so this is just to add the month column to the year column. So I'll call up my calendar table, dim calendar month, and just join it, and so and dim calendar year. So enter. So this it gives me my month here. Oh, it's bringing up. I'm supposed to use one of these to join. One of these ampersand to join. It's not 2. Okay, right. But something else. So I'll just want to put a little space between the month and the year. So I'll put a blank space here. This represents blank. Yeah. Then I'll join again. So just gives us a little space at the middle. So this is a simple calendar table. Oh, in tax 3, we'll be doing a more complex calendar table where we will be looking at time intelligence function and working with our financial data. So thank you for watching this lesson. See you in the next lesson.